Check it out. We got a plate. We're legal. So last night I decided to mess around with this car for a little bit and see if I could figure out the tail lights, but it was like 1 a.m. and I was pretty sure I wasn't gonna figure anything out, so I didn't film anything. But I don't know if I just didn't notice before because maybe the lights were too dim, but the tail lights actually work. So go ahead and turn the lights on. See the headlights work? It's really, really dim. That's probably why I couldn't see it, but the tail lights are working. So if I pull this out, see? They are working. That one looks pretty dead, but definitely working. Now the turn signals and the brake lights are still not working, so I don't know what's going on with that. Literally doesn't do anything at all, so I don't know. And then the brake lights aren't working either, or they are working but they won't turn off. That's what I don't know, because I haven't seen other cars. I can't remember what they look like with the brake lights on. So I actually have my buddy Josh. He has the same S13 coupe. He's gonna come over in a bit so I can check his taillights out and see what works and what doesn't work and what bulbs are supposed to be on when he brakes and whatnot. So for right now, I don't know if, I think there's 2 bulbs on right now. So I think that one of them is a brake light and one of them is a running light, and they're both on right now, which means that the switch under the pedal is bad. And I checked it. What I'm gonna just go do is run to an auto store real quick, pick up another switch, like $5–10 bucks, and go ahead and switch that out and see if that works. And if it does, we're good to go. I don't need turn signals. I drive a BMW on the daily. We're not required as BMW drivers to use turn signals, so I pretty much get a free pass for the rest of my life to never use turn signals, so I'm not worried about that. But brake lights, definitely need brake lights to drive safely. So we'll go pick that part up real quick and we'll be back here and install it. Just got back from the auto parts store. So I bought the brake light switch, and I went ahead and also bought all the bulbs to replace all the taillight bulbs. In case anyone is wondering, the running light and the brake light bulb size is a 1157, and then the reverse light and the turn signal is an 1156. So this is a switch, and when the brake pedal is compressed, it pushes this in, and then that makes the lights go off, and then when you press the brake pedal, it releases this and makes the lights turn on. So that's actually how the brake pedal switches work in cars, or at least older cars. I don't know how newer cars are. Alright, we're looking like a little bit of a mess right now, but check this out. This is the old one, new one. I also had to pick this up. It's a little rubber stopper that goes on the brake pedal, so when you click it, it stops it. Important, better than using like duct tape or something sketchy like that. So let's put it on real quick and hopefully this works. So I just got back from the auto parts store for like the 4th time today, and I had to return the new one that I bought of these because these connectors in here are really thin and the other ones didn't match up. They were like a little bit thicker, so it didn't work. So I took it back, tried to find one that fits, and there's literally none that fit. I don't know if this is because it's straight from Japan, or I have no idea, but literally could not find something that fits. This one seemed to work. I mean, you never know with, inside here if everything's good, because they do go bad, but I literally can't find another one online. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back in and put this little stopper, I lost the stopper, but put the stopper back in. I bought some pliers because it's like super hard to get that thing back in there with your fingers. And then Ron's coming right now to the rescue, tell me figure this out, because he's just good with this type of stuff. Like, he just is, that's all I can say, he's good with this type of stuff. But I did find out that this car has a chime for when the lights are on. Which is pretty sweet, and it wasn't doing it before, so I don't know, it just started working. And also, what's up, dog? Gotta fix my car. Look, he knows what he's doing. Look, he's touching them together and stuff. He knows what he's doing.
Put the light on?
Put what light on? Oh, gotcha. Turn that on. What'd you just put in?
The hazard
lights.
Alright,
you got the hazard light, and then, so now, do the hazards. So now they work, and then do the turn signals. Left one. And then right one. Oh yeah, baby. Reverse lights work, turn signals work, hazards work, brake lights work, but don't turn off, but we're figuring that out. And I broke my multimeter somehow. So I have to go buy another one because this one's fried. We got that new.
With condoms.
What?
Yeah.
Yes, finally. Now let's get to work, baby. Alright, now Ron's in this pretty sweet position just so you can get under there. Ron, what are you testing? You're testing the brake.
The brake pedal switch.
The stoplight switch is what he's testing right now to make sure it's getting power. All right, we figured it out. We're making good progress. So basically, these are off right now, but these are the normal brake lights. Here, do that again. Wait, off the brake and then on the brake. Yeah, so they glow up a little brighter. The only problem we're having is this one right here. When you press the brake, it just shuts off completely. So that's where we're at now. But everything else works. Reverse lights work. Hazards work. Turn signals work. So this one looks like it has some little jerry-rig wiring job right here. So we're gonna get in there and see how do we fix it. And then I need to go buy another set of these bulbs because I dropped one and broke one. Rip. So I bought that brake switch for no reason. That was fine. So what actually was it?
The fuse box was loose. The wires were loose in the fuse box. So everything's tightened and now everything works.
Good. Alright, we're not gonna kill ourselves over trying to figure out why that one brake light is spazzing out. But point is that I got running lights, everything works, and the brake lights work enough to the point where you can easily tell when I'm braking and I'm not gonna get rear-ended. So Ron right now decided to mess with this dash and see if he can, I don't know, hook it up and plug it in and see if it works. So right now I don't even know how much gas I have. Oh boy. There's something going on. Oh boy, it works! It works! Yes! Yes, Ron! Yes! Things just keeps going down. Look who showed up. Ay, ay. Check those 50/50s, that's what I want right there. What's up, bro?
What was that?
That was you scraping something. So you
Good.
just swap that black cover from the one that doesn't work onto this one. Put it on this nice cover now, and we're gonna stick it in there, and I'm gonna have a freaking dash that works besides the Speedo. Yo, look how clean that is. Now let's plug this sucker in, and it's gonna work, and it's gonna be awesome. Yo, we got a dash, and it works. Oh, that is sick. It's still like a little sketchy, but like, see that now it's on and now it's off. Like, it's weird like that, but it was better than before. The Speedo still doesn't work. It's okay, I don't care about that. I wish I could keep it like this. Maybe I'll jerry-rig something to have it held forward like that, but better than it was before. Alright, we're about to go for our first drive right now. I'm super excited. First drive on the street, let's get it. This is awesome. I'm so excited. It's so loud and raw, oh my gosh. I love it. Brakes work good. We got turn signals now. Oh, this is a beauty. I wish the dash would just stay like that. Maybe I could like do something, I don't know. But we're just gonna go to the gas station and fill this up with some gas because it's, if I tilt my dash forward, my gas is pretty empty. If it's correct. There's a lizard just jumped out of the gas cap. Right here. Ow! Look, you see it? It's right there. I gotta catch that sucker right now. Got it! I got him! Oh no! Alright. I'm gonna cover him. I got him. This is for your own safety, Mr. Lizard. I got a lizard! No! Bruh, I got a lizard.
Where did it come from?
Yeah, I swear, bruh, it hopped out of my... Here, you can go. Get out of here. I opened my gas cap. Like, when I pulled the gas cap out, it was in there. And it jumped up, crawled all the way through here, and fell into my shift boot, and then into that little thing. Alright, Ron's gonna go ahead and show what we fixed today. So before, the taillights didn't work at all, or at least that's what I thought. Now he's gonna turn on the car. Turn on the lights. That's the running lights. Turn signal. Other turn signal. Brake lights. All work. Wow, they all work. Reverse works. And that's the hazards. Keep the hazards on. We'll go around to the front. Headlights working. Look at that. Yes, everything's working. Yo, Ron, you are the man. I love you so much. You're so good at this type of stuff, bro. Like, just thank you. So everything's working now. We got a working dash. It doesn't light up all the time, but it's yeah, so sometimes it works. We'll figure that out though. But at least it actually tells the right information, and I have a gas gauge.
And that gas gauge going up.
Yeah, that gas gauge is reading pretty full, so that's really good. That's important. And this thing's good, man. We're good to go. Yo, roll up them windows. Let's see the mirror. Oh, yep, they work. License plate lights working too. We're good to go, baby. All right, on that note, we're gonna end this video off. Ron really helped me out a lot, and that was like, I couldn't have done that by myself. But he had a 240 before this, and he had the same problem, so it was just easier to let him deal with it. But it's all working now. 240 is good to go. Every light is working, and we're ready to start doing some fun stuff now. If you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace!
Why they wanna be me, it's not what it seems. Running to the bank, putting wet on my Achilles. We been thumbing blue faces like they Washingtons. On a run from MIA up to Washington.